Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at Lounsi Ali University Blida II in Algeria. Today we're going to present our seventh lecture titled What is Fraud? So I have divided my seventh lecture into the following elements as follows. What is fraud? What are the main types of financial frauds? Language activities including building vocabulary, and finally assessment including quizzes, tests, exams. So what is fraud? Fraud involves deceit with the intention to illegally or unethically gain at the expense of another. In finance, fraud can take on many forms, including making false insurance claims, cooking the books, pump and dump schemes, and identity theft, leading to unauthorized purchases. Second element, what are the main types of financial frauds? There are several types of financial frauds. For examples, phishing, skimming, counterfeit cards, advance fee scams, fund transfer scam, fake prices, inheritance scams, international lottery fraud. Third element, language activities. The word fraud as accountable and an accountable noun means a crime of cheating somebody in order to get money or goods illegally. For example, Mohammed was charged with credit card fraud. It was said that the property had been obtained by fraud. Finally, please learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.